Hello, my name is Dr. Ernesto Lee, and I'm going to start by saying that one thing is clear. The future belongs to those who not only understand AI's potential, but also its intricacies. And here's an insight. Any developer with the right training can build AI models. Also, any business professional can use these AI models and turn data into decisions. So, for those on the cusp of AI adoption, the journey can seem daunting. Decision makers often grapple with choices in tools, strategies for implementation, and challenges in achieving organizational buy-in. So, as a guide in this journey, your role is pivotal. It's not about selling a solution, it's about illuminating the path. Companies face a spectrum of challenges. Technically, the right tools and the right frameworks are essential, but integrating them seamlessly is where many falter. Organizationally, acceptance remains a hurdle. The very word AI can sometimes seem alien, conjuring up these images of impersonal algorithms and cold data. So it's crucial to evangelize AI's tangible benefits, transforming it from an abstract concept to a concrete business ally. But, as with any powerful tool, AI brings its share of concerns. Privacy stands as the forefront. How do we make sure that in teaching machines we don't inadvertently reveal too much? Then there's the challenge of misinformation and hallucinations, where AI models might produce outputs that are misleading or just plain wrong. So, how do we help them navigate this intricate landscape? Active listening is the key. Tuning into keywords like natural language processing, predictive analytics, or specific tools like TensorFlow or ChatGPT. If a client mentions analyzing customer feedback, then that's telling you natural language processing. If they talk about forecasting, then they're telling you predictive analytics. So understanding their current AI stance, that's crucial. Are they novices in their AI journey, or have they already dipped their toes in the AI waters? So here's a use case example. Consider a retail chain wanting to personalize their customer experiences. The role involved, it might span from data analysts and marketing managers to IT specialists. They might be using tools like data visualization software and cloud storage, and they could benefit from training maybe in an AI overview, where they can see how all of those tools, technologies, and roles can blend together to create an AI solution, implementing strategies, or even designing custom programs. So remember, our strength lies in our comprehensive offerings. From foundational knowledge to intricate strategies, our courseware and our curriculum is tailored to address every single facet of the AI journey. By partnering with us, you're offering your clients the compass to navigate the AI realm with confidence. So, in conclusion, the promise of AI, it's huge, it's vast, but its true potential is unlocked when it's backed by understanding and the right training. Equip your clients, be their AI guide, and witness the transformative power of informed AI adoption.
So we've just scratched the surface, and if you're ready to dive deeper, head on over to triveratech.com to see our full course catalog. Got burning questions or topics you'd like to see us cover? Share them in the comments. We are all ears. Oh, and speaking of not missing out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed our content, and ring that bell to be updated when we post our next video. The AI-powered future is right around the corner, and Trivera Tech is here to help guide you through it. Until next time.